Hi, Bob from Bob's Ball Card Breaks here, and today I found two of these 2016 Topps Gypsy Queen Baseball at Target for $12.99. I'll do one now and do one later. I did like this product. I think you just get a short printed mini parallel in these, and you get I don't know how many cards. Let's see, unless it's like right there. Alright, well, let's check it out. Definitely would like to eventually finish this base set. So we have, how many cards per pack? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 48 cards. Nothing looks any different. I don't think I've hit anything out of these. If I can remember. Maybe I have. Franco, Gonzalez, Gomez, and McCullers mini. Maeda rookie, Harrison. Maeda's a short print. That's cool. So we got the Maeda short print. Just a base there on the McCullers. Well, that one didn't rip how I would have liked it to. Oh, Correa. Wong. Pineda. Oh, what is this? No, this is gold or like a yellow or what they call this. It's 16 of 50. Anthony DeSalafani. I'm guessing that's a gold. I mean, it's not super short print, but it is short print. See, Lynn and Andrus. You always gotta just check to see if any of them are short prints. I think it's like, well, no. Well, it's just rookies and like legends or retired or whatever you want to call them. Peralta. Seager, Kendrick, Cologne Mini, base mini, Glove Stories, Mike Trout, I think I already have that one, Crawford, one exclusive short printed parallel. So that short print right there shouldn't be, dang, these are not tearing well. That shouldn't be our guarantee because I'm pretty sure the guarantee is like a foil. Zimmerman, Lackey, Waldrop, and this is MVP of Koufax Mini. Marte and Tomas. Gonzalez, Ventura, Davis, Andre Ethier, base mini. We got Jackie Robinson. Walk-off winners. Pretty sure I don't have that one. And Hamilton. Rodriguez, Encarnacion, Pillar, Odorizio, Base Mini, Pence, and Kane. Well, we're getting towards the end of the packs. I'm pretty sure that wasn't our guarantee, but maybe if you get something like that, they don't give you the other. I don't think the foil ones are numbered, but let's see what happens. Harper, Davis, Myers, Rodon, another base mini, Power Alley, Dave Winfield, Tulowitzki, corner keeps not tearing. Bautista, Pujols, Bruce. Here's our guaranteed. Aparicio? I'm not sure who this guy is. Luis Aparicio. So it's short printed in that it's over 300. It's not serial numbered. Lee. All right. So not terrible. We got the Maeda short print, rookie short print there, and then we got the guarantee, and we got the gold. I don't remember who that was. Anthony Disclafani. All right. Well, thanks for watching. See you guys on the next break.